Welcome to Little Genius Art. Today we are going to learn the health benefits of brinjal and how to draw brinjal. Draw two lines, then draw two curves on the opposite side. Now draw the zigzag curves. At the both end, draw a straight line. Just know the center. Join the gap with the curved lines. Draw two oval shape for eyes. Draw a curve at the bottom. Draw a nicely bended curve. Giving shades to the eye. Draw a line outwards and darken the line at the tip of the line, darkening one oval shape. Then extend one more line. This gives the hand and repeat on the other side. Draw outward line. At the end of the line, draw one rectangular shape, give shades. Here is our brinjal outline. It's time for coloring. It is a source of phenolic compounds that can act as an antioxidants. Rich in dietary fiber can help people to manage their weight. It contains copper, manganese, vitamin B6 and thiamine. It containing various types of phytonutrients which helps to protect our cells from damage and lowers the risk of heart disease. I hope you all enjoyed the drawing. If you like the video, click like button, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.